Hi dear friend, welcome back to my another video. Today in this video I am going to show you how to create a Snapchat account. Before that, please do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more this types of important video. So let's start the video. First of all, go to Play Store and search for Snapchat. After that, install this Snapchat application, then open it. Now here you can see there are two options for sign up. First one is with your Google account and second one is with manually sign up. So we are going to show you the second option. Okay, so now click on sign up option, then click on continue and allow these permissions. Now you need to type here your name. So let me type here a name. I'm going to type here my channel name, then click on continue. Let's select here your birth of date, then click on continue. Here as you can see my username is automatic setup. So if you want to change this username, here you can see you can also change it from here. Then click on continue. Now set a password for your account. Type this password with mixed letter and number. Okay, then click on continue. Now type here your Gmail account, then click on continue. After that, type here your phone number, then click on finish. Now you will get a message on your WhatsApp account. As you can see, I have got a WhatsApp message. Here you will find a verification code. Type here this verification code and wait a moment. Now here you can see there are some friends come from your contacts. You can add them. Okay, I will add them later, so I'm gonna skip it. Then click on continue, then allow this option. Now you can make your avatar from here. Take a selfie and make your avatar. As you can see, I have made a avatar. After making your avatar, then click on done. Now here click on turn on and allow this all permission. Finally, you can see our Snapchat account is created successfully. So now we can take picture and do many effects. So friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the like button of this video. Thanks for watching this video.